Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Android 12 update. So if you still or if you're using the Android 12 and do not satisfy with the new update, you can uninstall the Android 12 version. All you have to do is go to the settings button on your Android phone and then tap about phone first. Currently I'm already referred into the Android version, the 11 version. I think this is one of the best a version of the Android 11. So I want to uninstall I want to show you how to uninstall the update by go to the apps management on your phone. Try to search in the setting this one, app management, and tap app list, and then scroll down, try to search the Android system, and then tap three dot at the top of your screen and tap uninstall update here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.